some nutrients. So we're gonna give them some of this eggshell powder. Hopefully so basically you can put it in the soil or sprinkle it around. Just give it a little around the roots. Cover it up with the mulch.
Two weeks later.
I'm going to show you. This is the cover I've had on my garden. And it's been raining. It lets the water in. But it also helps diffuse the heat. Look at these tomatoes. These are the tomatoes Mr. Les gave me. We got one. They're all growing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on this side, that's a carrot, I think. I don't even know what that is. I planted something, but I don't know what it is. But look, we got, well, this one's not doing too good. It's on the end, but look, 9. Look how big this one is. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So all the plants, tomato plants Mr. Les gave me, are finally taking off. They like it. The shade.
3 weeks later.
Alright, good morning. I'm gonna update you on my progress here. Yesterday I installed the little sprinkler, automated sprinkler system to make it a little easier. I got it going right now. It's each plant's getting watered with it. I'll leave it on about 10 minutes or so. But look at the tomatoes. They are growing so well. I've been trimming the bottoms. I just killed a little worm, stupid little worm. But I'm finally letting them kind of grow, and we got our first little tomato right there growing. They've been producing flowers. So I took the center loop out and made it bigger so that I could hike this netting up a little bit. But they're all getting their water, morning water. Makes it a lot easier, especially when we start getting in these hot winter months. Got ants in my garden, but I think that's okay. All right, bye. Getting blueberries. Oh my God!